got a damn good show for you. All right, sit that on yeah. Now you notice how it's actually two pieces. See where they're
Yeah.
bolted together?
Yeah.
Now there's a space in there for heat. That's how you get your choke and your gas warm.
Oh, okay.
All right, welcome to the shop. As you can see, WR4 is here with me today, and we're taking the head off. He's working diligently. He's getting real close. Uh, we're having a good time. Christmas break. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. Let me show you what else has been getting done around here. Oh, look out. I'm on the tripod trying to carry this thing around. But I've been working diligently on this. Take you around to the other side here. I gotta watch where I'm walking while I'm carrying this. Oh, you can't see Jack in there without the light on. Hey, Wally,
Yep.
give me my little light over there, please. Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, you can't see nothing. I'll put my hand in there either. Holy crap. Well, anyway, this sucks. My camera sucks. Well, I got the piece out, and I've been cutting away. We've got the outside piece trimmed, ready to go in, but we got to do the inside. This thing fought me tooth and nail right here. This guy with all this was the piece that was over top of that lip. I drilled out all the spot welds, and it was connected to that piece and that piece. So, that being said, we're getting things done in that respect. And if everything goes well, we should have those guys almost ready to weld in while Waldy's here on Christmas break.
So.
All right, you want to take the valve train off? See those? I think they're 1/2 inch across the top. Yep. Take them out, and there are your push rods. That's your rocker arm shaft. You guys probably don't really want to watch us do all this fine tune. It's probably 9/16. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
So we're gonna stop it here and bring you back when we get to the fun stuff. Actually pulling the head off. Okay. All right, got 2 more to go. The head will be ready to lift off. Why is it so fuzzy? I don't know. Maybe the lens had my greasy thumbprint on it. Let's see. Is that any better, folks? No, it's still fuzzy. Yeah, it's fuzzy. And I don't know why. All right, he's taking the last 2 bolts out. Got to do it by hand. Can't get the impact in there.
We need a shallow one.
You need a shallow one.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll hook you right up there, buddy. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, done with that? Okay. Oh my. All right, we're getting close. Break out one of those. Watch your fingers. There she goes. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Hey, I see you gotta, if you're gonna be a professional mechanic, you gotta put a little ooh into it. That way everybody in the shop knows you're doing something. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
All right. One more, you gotta unscrew the rest of the way. And I think it's time to lift this bad boy off of there. It's gonna be heavy. Get that bolt out of there, Walter. Come on. I'm getting excited here. That makes me a little cautious as well. I'm sorry. I'm probably screwing you up. If that thing had been on there for as long as it should have been on there, it would have been much more harder to take off. You know what I'm saying? Normally, you'd have to pry, do a little hammering, a little chisel action.
Yep.
That would have been stuck on there, some kind of stuck. But being so just a little, and she lifted right up. This thing is going to be heavy, buddy.
Yeah.
Uh, um, okay. Let's think about this. Let's clear the end of the bench off there, and we'll spin it a little bit this way. Holy mackerel, this thing's heavy. All right, you got her. Pick her up straight. Attaboy. Go over onto the bench. It's going to roll it over on its edge here. I want to look at what we're seeing. Holy moly. Let's let the folks at home get a look at that. Oh, it's nothing but grain. Oh, there we go. Kind of. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's why we had all kind of carbon crap in there. Uh, see what's going on in there. He says.
There's chunks of.
Chunks of stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good stuff, Walty. All right, let me take a peek in there. Let me set the folks at home down so. Oh, 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 look at that. My God. Look at that. No wonder. Actually, they don't feel that bad. don't know. Let me see what's. See that movement?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it this way. That's what's gonna separate men from the boys.
Yeah, one got.
Yeah. See it?
Yep.
You can catch your fingernail under the ridge.
That
Is
looks a little rusty.
that what you're talking about?
No.
Oh yeah, I do see that now. Good eye. Oh, my batteries are dead. Where's my light? I'll get it. That guy, that is just, I think that was the first 40 pounder.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was another one.
Yeah,
Dang it. Now, why is that one like that? None of the other ones. This one wasn't a good one either. But that would have been the only reason why this engine would have been stuck. That one right there. Because every one of these other ones clean looking. Not rusty.
Oh, I thought that was rust for a second.
That's just dirt. So I'm willing to bet that our major stick was in the bell housing.
Mm-hmm.
Now, unfortunately, I don't think just a hone and a re-ring is going to make this engine any better than it is.
Yeah.
All right, let's bring this one up here on top dead center. See if we can clean off that a little bit and see what it says, or if it says anything. If it was bored, it would be stamped. I don't see nothing, do you?
No.
No, but it's been scraped.
Yeah.
See that?
Yep.
Somebody's had this head off before. That's somebody scraping it.
Oh.
Somebody else has been in here. Ay, caramba.
Maybe that's why he was doing the engine swap.
That could be. That could very well be. There's a lot of questions and a lot of answers that we ain't got. But either way, we know what we got now. This motor is pretty much shot. Other than, well, back in the day, they did offer oversized rings.
Mm-hmm.
Like 10 thousandths over.
Yeah.
Um,
That's how it is with like mini bikes and stuff now.
oh, okay. So with a good honing, cut this ridge out. We could do it in the frame. Well, that would be a bitch, but we could do it in the frame. Done it before. You'd be the guy on the bottom. But you disconnect the connecting rod, push the piston out,
Mm-hmm.
clean it, hone it, re-ring it, fit it, make sure everything fits. We never heard it run, so we don't know what the bearings are like.
Yeah.
We got to measure that. I don't know. Let's do some thinking, hardcore thinking, and see what we really, really, really want to do. Maybe the folks at home will give us a little suggestion. What would you guys do? Rebuild this, put a small block in it, do a whole frame chassis swap? Leave us know what you would do. In the meantime, we're going to continue on fixing the cab.
Leaky.
Leaky? Leaky?
There.
Oh, yeah. That's where your tappets are, your lifters be in there. This is the little panel that comes off. All right, you grab the light and show up here in this corner. And I'm going to take the camera off the stand and we'll show them what we did on the inside there, Bubba. Okay. All right, here we go. Coming off the stand. We're live with Memorex. All right, we're back. Me and the grandsons. There's Joe. There's WR4. We got our pieces in, all clamped in. A couple tech screws in there. I'll give you a good quick look at this. See where you're at there, buddy. Relax. Oh, look out. Watch it. I don't know what I'm doing. But we got her all set in place. Clamped in. Yes, there's a big old rust hole here. We got to deal with that. But this is ready for cut and button. We're going to plug weld the front. We're going to cut and butt over here. And same on this side. Then we got plug weld up there at the top and across where the windshield actually seals. The inner piece and the outer piece join right there. So I feel that was a pretty daggone good accomplishment. What do you think, Waldy?
Yep.
We know that we got some serious issues with our engine. We know we've got a couple alternatives. Again, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. I know what Waldy wants to do. He wants to buy a S10 frame that some guy's got a small block Chevy sitting in with a 400 turbo transmission. And he wants to bring that home and put this cab on it. Me, I kind of want to, what?
There's a hole missing.
There's a hole missing?
No. Oh, it's on all of them. There's like a little chip.
Yeah, it's a notch.
Okay.
That tells you where the piston's going to the front. Me, I want to kind of fix this motor or engine and keep it a manual transmission. Tell us what you think. We're ringing in the new year here. Next weekend, maybe, if Walter has time to come over and see his old bubby.
Yep.
We're going to be welding this in. It'll be weld up time. And he needs to practice. I got my welder fixed. I had to put a new liner on the inside. That wasn't too hateful. We got plenty of gas. We got a new regulator. Everything's happening. So we can get the cab back together. Before we put the windshield in, we are definitely going to install the visor. So there you have it. The end of 2023, hanging out with the grandsons, ringing in the new year. All right, everybody. Say goodbye to the folks at home.
See ya.
See ya. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year to everybody. Bye-bye.